and welcome to this session on making riveted lap and butt joint. Let's begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to punch the correct size holes using a solid punch, rivet the snap head rivets with the help of rivet set, a rivet snap, a dolly using ball peen hammer to make single riveted lap and butt joint. Form the rivet heads of snap head and flat head rivets. Let us first learn the tools required. Wooden mallet, steel rule, tri-square, straight snip, scriber, C-clamp, center punch, ball peen hammer, drill bit, portable drilling machine, chuck key, setting hammer, dolly, rivet set, rivet snap, snip or shirring tool. Learn the preparation of sheet metal and layout spacing for many types of rivet. Mark and cut 8 work pieces of the given raw material. In the single riveted lap joint, the plates are overlapped at the ends and single row of rivets is riveted on the lap. The layout spacing for countersink head riveting as per the drawing. That the part 1 and 2 are positioned such that the drilled holes are aligned. Insert 3 mm diameter countersink head rivet in the center hole. Repeat the previous procedure for inserting snap head, flat head and pan head rivets as per their respective layouts. Let us now learn about the riveting with different types of rivet. Form the rivet head for count. Deburr the holes with larger sized drill, rotating it on the drilled holes by hand. Insert the countersink rivet and form the rivet heads one by one to make single riveted lap joint chain with the help of rivet set and a ball peen hammer. Now, let's learn about snap head riveting. The various tools used in hand riveting operations are rivet set, dolly, rivet snap, combined rivet set, hand riveter, pop riveter, drift, chalking tool, fullering tool. Rivet set. It is used for bringing the sheet metal closely together after inserting the rivet in the hole. This is required while riveting thin plates or sheet with small rivets. Dolly. It is used to support the head of the rivet which is already formed and also to prevent damage to the shape of the rivet head. Rivet snap. It is used to form the final shape of the rivet during riveting. Rivet snaps are available to match the different shapes of rivet heads. Combined rivet set. This is a tool which can be used for setting and forming the head. Hand riveter. This has a lever mechanism which exerts pressure between the jaws when the handle is pressed. This is useful for riveting copper or aluminium rivets. Interchangeable anvils can be provided. Pop riveter. This is used for riveting pop rivets by hand. The trigger mechanism squeezes the rivet and separates the mandrel of the rivet. In this method, as the mandrel is being separated from the rivet, the head is formed on the other end. Drift. It is used to align the holes to be riveted. Chalking tool. It is used for closing down the edges of the plates and heads of the rivets to form a metal-to-metal joint. Furring tool. It is used for pressing the surface of the edge of the plate. Furring helps to make fluid-tight joints. Insert a 3 mm diameter snap head rivet in after placing sheet 1 below sheet 2, ensuring proper alignment. Support the rivet head placed in the central hole using a dolly from the bottom. Place the rivet snap on the shank of the rivet. Form the head of the rivet by using a ball peen hammer. Drill the remaining 4 holes on part 2 sheet through holes already punched on part 1 sheet. Deburr the holes with the larger sized drill, rotating it on the punched holes by hand. Insert the snap head rivet for all the drilled holes. Repeat the procedure of riveting using a dolly, a rivet snap and a ball peen hammer to rivet all the holes to make single riveted lap joint. Next, let us learn about single strap and single row riveted butt joint. A butt joint is a type of joint used in a situation where the edges of the components are to be joined by the riveting. A separate piece of metal called strap is used to hold the edges of the components together. If the strap is provided on one side of the metal sheets to be joined, it is called single strap, and if it is provided on both sides of the metal sheets to be joined, it is called double strap. In single strap butt joint riveting with single row rivet, it has one row of rivet on either side of the butt. Now, let us learn about the procedure for the preparation of sheet metal for single riveted butt joint. Mark and cut the given raw material into 3 pieces, which gives us 2 sheet metal pieces of sizes of 50 by 48 mm and third piece strap of size 24 by 48 mm using a straight snip. Check the size of all 3 sheets of metal using a steel rule. Flatten the sheets on the dressing plate by a wooden mallet. Deburr the edges using a flat smooth file. Let us move on to the preparation of layout spacing for single strap, single riveted butt joint. First, let us prepare the layout spacing for rivet hole for butt joint. The layout spacing preparation is the same as the previous exercise. Mark the center of the rivet hole using center punch and ball peen hammer on all the 3 sheets. Let's now learn to perform punching and drilling of rivet holes. Drill 3.2 mm diameter holes at all the punched marks on the strap. Drill holes of 3.2 mm diameter on the punched marks of the center holes on the 2 workpieces of 50 mm by 48 mm to be joined. Deburr the holes with a larger sized drill, rotating it on drilled holes by hand. Butt the edges of the workpieces to be joined. Place the strap over them. Set it correctly as per the drawing and ensure that the alignment is done properly on the marked line. Let us now learn the riveting of flat head rivet. Insert a 3 mm flat head rivet in the center hole of the butt pieces and strap. Form the flat rivet head using a rivet set, rivet snap and a ball peen hammer, placing the job on the flat steel plate. Ensure that the workpieces to be joined and the strap sheet are properly aligned on the marked line. Drill the remaining holes on the bottom piece of the sheet through the holes already drilled on the strap sheet. Deburr the holes with the larger sized drill, rotating it on the punched holes by hand. Insert the rivets in all the holes and form the rivet heads by following the previously mentioned riveting procedure to make single riveted single strap butt joint.
To recap, we have learned to punch the correct size holes using a solid punch. Rivet the snap head rivets with the help of rivet set, a rivet snap, a dolly using ball peen hammer to make single riveted lap and butt joint. Form the rivet heads of snap head and flat head rivets. So that was all about making riveted lap and butt joint. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.